this is the time that you need to be positive. Positive will help you to get over this hard period. Positive will help you to think something actually better for the situation. So the first thing is when I can get a positiveness with myself is a community work. Okay, I share my knowledge, my expertise to the community for free without any charge. So that means I create a channel, okay, and then I publish on my knowledge, my experience about revenue management. COVID, it actually make a lot of worse thing, but that make a good thing is people having time to learn new things, to learn something that they want, but they cannot make it before. So this is a time that we can share something valuable for them to learn.